What's up, Mavericks? Starting a business in an industry such as gambling, adult entertainment, or cannabis sales? Then you'll need a high-risk merchant account. In this video, we'll explain what a high-risk merchant account is, why you need one, and the best high-risk merchant account providers for your business based on our expert analysis of over 10 different companies. So, what exactly is a high-risk merchant account? A high-risk merchant account is just a merchant account for businesses classified as being in a high-risk category. Different providers have different ideas of what high-risk means, but typically these are businesses with a higher risk of chargebacks, fraud, or defaulting on loans. Businesses selling items or services with questionable legality or running a business with a non-traditional business model, such as multi-level marketing, also qualify as high risk. A few examples of high-risk industries include adult services and adult content distribution, cannabis sales, firearm sales, real estate and timeshare services, casinos and gambling, discount health and medical care services, supplement sales, and any higher than average ticket sales. If you're not sure whether your business qualifies as high risk, click on the link below for an extensive list of high-risk business types. Also, if you have poor personal credit or have had a merchant account terminated in the past, some merchant account providers will consider you too high a risk and won't work with you. In this case, you'll probably need a high-risk merchant account too. While high-risk business owners are more limited in what merchant account providers they can work with, you've still got plenty of options. Let's jump into our top 7 best high-risk merchant account providers. First up on the list is PaymentCloud, which specializes in getting merchant accounts approved for a wide variety of high-risk businesses through its network of third-party payment processors and acquiring banks. PaymentCloud supports a seriously huge number of high-risk industries, including adult services, CBD, multi-level marketing businesses, nutraceuticals, debt collections, bail bonds, firearms, and more. PaymentCloud stands out because of its excellent customer support, account application assistance, free credit card terminals, and numerous payment types you can accept. For example, you can take ACH and e-checks, QR code payments, virtual terminal payments, and e-commerce payments through an online payment gateway. Since your account will be backed by one of PaymentCloud's network of acquiring banks and payment processors, your monthly fees and payment processing rates will vary. For this reason, the company does not disclose pricing information online, but note that is pretty common among risk merchant account providers. However, there's no cost to apply or set up an account with PaymentCloud. A representative will personally walk you through the application process, scrub your application for any red flags, and continue working with your business well past account approval. Apply today and you could get approved in as little as 48 hours. All in all, PaymentCloud offers excellent customer support and free credit card terminals. Plus, the company does not charge any account setup fees and has very few public accounts. Not many high-risk merchant account providers have such an excellent reputation, and this should go a long way when it comes to choosing your provider. Next up, we have National Processing, which offers high-risk merchant accounts in select high-risk industries. If you run a business in the dropshipping, firearms and ammunition, credit repair and debt consolidation services, subscription services, high-volume sales, tobacco and vape sales, credit repair industries, or you're a nonprofit, National Processing is a strong option. National Processing is unique because it offers Interchange Plus and membership-based pricing. We like Interchange Plus pricing a lot since it's typically the best way for high-volume businesses to reduce their overall amount of payment processing fees. The company also provides tools like mobile payment processing, ACH and e-check processing, e-commerce support, and chargeback prevention services. Like many high-risk merchant service providers, you won't find pricing information online. National Processing works with several banks to help you find the account with the best fees though. But there are no application or account setup fees. All you have to do is contact a National Processing representative and they'll go through the application process with you. To review, National Processing offers Interchange Plus and membership pricing models, which can be effective for mid to high volume businesses. Like PaymentCloud, National Processing has a great reputation and offers low-cost ACH and e-check payment processing. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that the company only offers free equipment if you sign on for a long-term contract, and that usually carries an early termination fee. Next, we have Durango Merchant Services, which offers high-risk merchant accounts to business owners in several high-risk categories in the US, as well as offshore merchant accounts for international businesses. The company also provides cryptocurrency merchant accounts. Durango Merchant Services is known for its honesty, fair rates, and quality customer service. The company offers its own proprietary payment gateway and virtual terminal for e-commerce merchants, and a number of universal credit card readers for accepting payments in person. Payment processing rates and account fees are highly variable, and you may have to sign a long-term contract, which may include an early termination fee, so keep that in mind. Reach out to a Durango Merchant Services representative today and get approved for an account within 1 to 6 business days. There's no account application fee, and you'll get a dedicated support representative who stays with you for the entirety of your time with Durango. Overall, Durango Merchant Services is known for offering offshore accounts, fair pricing and contracts, mobile card readers, and a dedicated account manager. Unfortunately, there is an early termination fee. Coming up on number 4, we have Host Merchant Services, which offers high-risk merchant accounts in a lot of industries, including real estate, gambling, adult entertainment websites, timeshares, debt collection, and more. Host Merchant Services, which used to be a web hosting company, is ideal for e-commerce businesses and omni-channel retail businesses. The company offers free web hosting with every account, several POS systems and card readers for sale, a virtual terminal, and a cash discounting program. Merchant accounts from Host Merchant Services will have varying payment processing fees and account fees. So fill out a quick form on Host Merchant Services website and a representative will get back to you with a free custom quote. The company charges no account setup fees, and every merchant has access to 24/7 customer support. In general, Host Merchant Services is great because the company charges no early termination fee, setup or application fee, charges no monthly minimums, and has excellent customer support. But this option can be expensive for low volume merchants, so take that into consideration if you're going to be processing less than $10,000 a month in sales. This next provider, Soar Payments, offers merchant accounts in high-risk industries including cannabis, adult content, legal services, credit repair, seminars and coaching, firearms, and more. Soar Payments is unique because it provides the fastest merchant account application and pricing quotes out there. You fill out the online application and get an instant quote with the lowest industry pricing for accounts emailed to you. No interaction with the sales rep required. The company caters mostly to e-commerce merchants, although it does provide countertop registers and card terminals. Since Soar connects to several payment gateways, you can integrate your merchant account with more online shopping carts, including Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce. Head over to Soar Payments website and fill out an application for free to get instant personalized quote emailed to you. You can also ask any of Soar's attentive US-based team any questions before applying, and for any account-related issues. In summary, Soar Payments' best quality is its speed. The company has an automated application process, automated custom quotes, and fast account underwriting, plus no application fees. However, Soar Payments only works with US businesses and charges an early termination fee. Number 6 on our list is EasyPay Direct, which provides accounts for business owners in industries such as cannabis and CBD sales, massage parlors, and many more. EasyPay Direct offers several merchant account features, including its own proprietary payment gateway, proprietary online shopping cart builder, credit card terminal options, and load balancing. With load balancing, you can spread your transactions across multiple merchant accounts, which are integrated into a single payment gateway. This way, if one of the accounts drops you, you still have the others to rely on. You'll also be able to process more every month with multiple accounts, which makes EasyPay Direct a good choice for high-risk businesses processing a lot of sales or processing large ticket sales. The practice of load balancing also helps you reduce the chances of fraud and chargebacks. While load balancing is a great feature, you'll usually have to pay separate monthly fees for each merchant account you're associating with EasyPay Direct's proprietary payment gateway, so it might not be cost-effective for some merchants. EasyPay Direct charges a $99 account setup fee, $24.95 monthly account maintenance fee, and variable payment processing fees. The company offers tiered and interchange plus pricing. While we don't like that you have to pay an account setup fee, we do like that EasyPay Direct does not charge an early termination fee. So fill out the initial questionnaire on the EasyPay Direct website, and you can start processing payments in as little as 3 business days. EasyPay Direct is great because it accepts business owners in a wide variety of high-risk industries, offers load balancing, doesn't charge an early termination fee in most cases, and has its own in-house sales team. The proprietary payment gateway integration with several online store builders and the option to build a shopping cart through EasyPay Direct are all great features for e-commerce merchants. Unfortunately, EasyPay Direct does charge a setup fee, so make sure this company is right for your business before paying to set up your account. Last but not least is CorePay. This company works with most businesses as long as you only sell legal products and haven't had a previous account terminated by another provider. Like Durango and EasyPay Direct, CorePay offers its own proprietary payment gateway. It also offers access to other payment gateways that make it easy for you to integrate CorePay with online shopping cart builders. Chargeback and fraud protection is very important to CorePay, which is why the company offers extensive chargeback and anti-fraud protection services, plus Visa's rapid dispute resolution service. With CorePay, you won't pay any application or account setup fees or annual account maintenance fees. Payment processing fees are highly variable, and the company doesn't provide much information about account terms, so you may end up with a long contract that includes an early termination fee. Make sure to read through your merchant agreement before signing on with CorePay. If CorePay sounds like a good fit for you, fill out a high-risk merchant account application on CorePay's website, and you can start processing payments within 24 to 72 hours. All in all, we like CorePay because it has no application setup or annual fees. It also offers its own proprietary payment gateway and great anti-fraud and chargeback protection features. Both of these features make CorePay a great option for e-commerce and mail order, telephone order focused businesses. Unfortunately, like many high-risk merchant account providers, there's no information available about how pricing works, account fees, or an early termination fee. So there you go. Thanks for watching, Mavericks. We hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about the best high-risk merchant account providers and give you some direction on where to look next as you hunt for a provider that works best for you. If you want to learn more about the companies we mentioned here, check out the links in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us out. And make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful videos like this one. We'll see you next time, Mavericks.